6:45 in the morning, and we are in Talmage, just east of Ukiah in Mendocino. And we're gonna pick our Chenin Blanc this morning. Just waiting for the crews to show up. We're loading up the bins on the tractor and getting ready to roll. It is going to be a cold morning pulling leaves. Again, we're probably mid-40s, and pulling leaves out of wet grape bins is going to hurt. So, oh well. We're about 2/3 of the way through picking out the Chenin, and I'm going to jump back on the tractor after shedding a couple layers and continue leafing. So it looks good. It's picking out pretty heavy, and I think we're going to be psyched. Just got our Chenin Blanc loaded into the press, and we've got that going, and somehow managed to fit about 4.5 tons into a 4-ton press, whole cluster. And now we're actually going to tread some red grapes. We were picking Chenin this morning. We were also having some Mourvedre picked from Shake Ridge Ranch. So we brought in one of our 3 blocks, I-Block. I-Block has older vines, but a little bit higher pH, so we brought in about 2.5 tons of that. This is about 25% of our, I can't even talk, Mourvedre production for Shake Ridge Ranch, and it'll ferment on its own in the tank back there while we wait about a week for the other 2 blocks to come in.